If you want to improve video quality in HandBrake, the key thing to understand first is this. HandBrake cannot magically create new detail that was never there in the original footage, but what it can do is help you preserve more of the existing quality, clean up the image, and produce a much sharper, more polished final export. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use HandBrake to make your video look significantly better without overcomplicating the process. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first step is importing your video into HandBrake. Open HandBrake on your computer, then drag and drop your video file directly into the program. You can also click to open a file manually, but drag and drop is usually the fastest method. Once your video is loaded, HandBrake will scan the file and prepare it for editing. Under the hood, FFmpeg decodes the source video so HandBrake can analyze it frame by frame and prepare it for the next steps. This is important because the quality improvements you make later depend on how well the source is processed at the beginning. Now that your video is loaded, the next step is going to the Filters tab. This is where a lot of people miss an easy opportunity to improve how the video looks. The Filters section helps clean up the image before the final encode, which can make a big difference if your footage has grain, softness, or compression artifacts. In the Filters tab, turn on Sharpen using Lap Sharp and set it to light. This helps define edges and gives your footage a slightly crisper appearance without making it look harsh or overly processed. Then, turn on Denoise and also set that to light. Denoise helps reduce digital grain and visual noise, especially if your video was recorded in low light or compressed heavily before editing. By cleaning up the image before encoding, you're giving HandBrake a better foundation to work with. Next, move to the Video tab. This is one of the most important parts of the entire process. Here, you want to change the codec to H.265, also known as X265. H.265 is more advanced than H.264, and it can preserve quality more efficiently at the same file size or give you a cleaner result at a similar bitrate. After selecting H.265, look for the RF slider. RF stands for quality, and in HandBrake, a lower RF number means higher quality. For better visual quality, set the RF value to 18 or even 16 if you want to preserve as much detail as possible. Just keep in mind that lower RF values usually create larger files, so there's a balance between quality and file size. If your goal is to make the video look its best, 18 is a great starting point, and 16 is excellent if you want to push quality even further. After that, go to the Encoder preset setting. This controls how much time HandBrake gives the encoder to process the video. Move the preset to slower or very slow. The reason this matters is simple. Slower presets give the X265 engine more time to use complex calculations and more efficient compression decisions. That means the encoder can preserve more detail and deliver a more accurate final image. If you choose a faster preset, the file will encode more quickly, but you may lose some of that visual precision. So if quality is your priority, slower or very slow is the best choice. Once all of those settings are in place, it's time to export. Click Browse and choose where you want to save the final file. Give it a clear name so you can easily find it later. Then click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin processing the file, applying the filters, encoding with H.265 and combining the enhanced video with the original audio into the final output container. Depending on the length of your video and the preset you chose, this may take a little while, especially if you selected very slow. But that extra time is worth it if you want the best possible quality. When the export finishes, play the video back and compare it to the original. You should notice cleaner edges, less noise, and a more refined look overall. Again, HandBrake won't add detail that was never captured, but by using the right filters, the right codec, a lower RF setting, and a slower preset, you can absolutely make your footage look better and more professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. And if you want more guides like this one, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.